Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to multiply numbers in base 2. Like I said in my other videos, numbers in base 2, they simply consist of 1 and 0. You cannot find any number higher than 1 in base 2 number. That means you cannot find 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in base 2 numbers. It consists of only 1 and 0. And we have examples here. So let's multiply them. We first of all multiply 1 times 1, which will give us 1. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, 1. Now, see, after we have multiplied them, what we are going to do next is to add them. We are going to add all this. So we'll bring down this one. When we add 0 to 1, we are going to get 1. Alright? So here, when we add 1 to 0, we will have 1. Then when we add 1 to 1, we are going to get 1, 0. So we write 0, we carry 1. That one, we add it here, we still get 1, 0. We write 0, carry 1. That one, we add it here, we have 1, 0. So, okay, if you don't know how to add numbers in base 2, you can check my last video where I taught and showed how to add numbers in base 2. Alright, so now I want you to do this particular one. Do this and comment your answer, and I'm going to check it to know if you get it right or wrong. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to do so and turn on the notification bell so that you are going to be notified once a new video is being uploaded.